Hello there, welcome back to my channel. You might not recognize my background, but that's because I'm filming in a different corner in my beauty room because we're doing something a little different today. We are doing a true unboxing. We are unboxing a brand new handbag from Teddy Blake. I am so thrilled to be asked once again to collaborate with them to share with you all this brand new bag. This is a bag that they designed in partnership with Klarna. So if you're like me and you're thinking, Klarna, that sounds familiar, you've probably seen their logo or the option when you've purchased a product online. And they are one of the largest online financial companies that offers kind of the ability to pay for something in installments. So Teddy Blake is one of those such companies. So now if you buy a handbag with Teddy Blake, you'll be able to use Klarna. So they offer direct payments, payment after delivery, or installment payment plans. So it kind of has really given a lot more flexibility. I know in this day and age, we're kind of needing a little bit more flexibility sometimes in paying for things, and Klarna is one of those companies that's doing that. So they partnered with Teddy Blake, and Teddy Blake designed a bag to kind of celebrate this partnership, and we're gonna see what that bag looks like. I forgot, I think my last Teddy Blake came in a box like this, and the box fully collapses so you can store it flat like under your bed or whatever when you're utilizing the bag inside. But okay, dun, 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 dun. Here we go. And as a reminder, all Teddy Blake bags are made in Italy with fine Italian leather. I own 2 already of their bags, and they have withheld travel, just general daily use. I don't baby mine at all, and they're all basically almost as good as new still. So all right, comes very well protected. I appreciate that. Okay, in its cloth bag, and now, oh my goodness. So I had seen pictures of the colors of this bag, and I thought, oh my, did they design that just for me? Look at the colors. It's pink and black. Yes. I mean, can you tell? Those are kind of my kind of colors, right? Oh, look how cute this is. All right, so I officially do not own, I think this is called like a bucket bag. This is the Eliza Klarna design, I believe. I'll put it across the screen here, but it is so cute. It has gold detail, adjustable strap. It does have kind of a wider pad here, which I love that because it helps keep it on your shoulder, or if you're doing crossbody, it stays better. And yeah, there looks like there's enough room to adjust it to do a crossbody if you're going to be traveling. And now let's take a look. So they have the Teddy Blake inscribed on the little drawstring here, and then on the bottom, and then all the piping is in pink. Like I said, it's designed for me. All right, so it opens pretty wide. And we have something else inside. We have, oh, the cutest little extra purse or cosmetic bag or whatever you want it to be. So really well-made zipper, and the inside is even pink. I love it when handbag companies kind of take that extra time to add those little details, and then you can see the edge detail is all in pink, has a nice strap. Okay, and then does this come off? Yes, it does. So there is a little button here that you can easily detach this. So I think this would be perfect size. You could throw your phone in here possibly, your credit card, whatever, run into the store, just a nice little wristlet. But I know for me personally, I'm probably going to be using this for some lipsticks or gum or something like that, because you know I love having these little bags. But I do love that you can then attach it to the bag, and this strap does come off. So if you decide you don't want to have that on there, you can take it off. But then it's attached securely inside your purse. So that's a good thing, you know, if you want to keep money, valuables, or whatever in here, you can be assured that it's going to stay put. And, you know, with that in it, I still feel like there's plenty of room for my other stuff. So let's find out. Okay, dropping my keys in there. Let's see what we can put in this little guy. My lip gloss and lipstick that I'm currently wearing. So yeah, this is definitely a tighter fit. So you're not gonna fit a whole lot of stuff in here, but it's gonna need to be flatter. But I did fit my couple lipsticks in there, or a lipstick and a lip gloss. Let's see if we can fit our mirror in there. Yeah, and what I found, you know, leather does kind of stretch out a bit. So since this is brand new and it's not been broken in by Sharalee yet, it's got to get used to, you know, lots more lipsticks and stuff like that. So we've got that. I have been using, since I traveled this summer, I switched to this tiny little wallet, which is by Kate Spade. That fits beautifully in there. Sunglasses case, hand sanitizer, can't be without that. We got gum. So, and then of course my phone, but that's what I'm using to record. So all of that fits nicely in here. Let's see if we can close it up. Yep, closes up still really nicely. And we have this cute little handbag. I'm going to be using this afternoon. Got to go do some grocery shopping, and this is definitely what I'm going to be carrying. It is lighter weight than my other two Teddy Blake handbags that I have, but I still feel like it's good quality, knowing that it's leather. I know it's going to hold up well, and the inside is finished. Sometimes with Teddy Blake bags, they leave kind of the suede interior there. This one is fully finished. I think this is a great bag. I'm so excited to get to use it. It's a cute little change up, and you know, I do love my huge tote bags, but let's be honest, after a while, or when I'm traveling, that is when I really do love to have a smaller bag like this. So I'm excited to have this, and of course the black and pink, made for me. So if you've never shopped Teddy Blake, I hope that you will check out their website. I'll leave a link down below. They've also graciously given you all an extra discount code. It's TB Sharalee 20, and that gives you an extra $20 off. You can now take advantage of the Klarna installment payment plan, so you don't have to pay that chunk all at once. But Teddy Blake is going to be coming out with new designs every month, so at least make sure you sign up so you can be notified. They do have some beautiful purses, and you know, Christmas is right around the corner. So all in all, I think I'm going to enjoy this bag, and thank you Teddy Blake for letting me be one of the very first to receive one of your new designs. Thank you as always so much for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, I hope you'll hit that button below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.